This rustic loaf is filled with briny olives, creating a delightful twist on traditional bread. Let's get started. Let's start by measuring out 254 grams of bread flour and 46 grams of whole wheat flour. Next, add a pinch of salt, 6 grams of yeast. Now mix in 14 milliliters of olive oil. Now pour in 194 ml of warm water to help activate the yeast. Mix everything together until your dough begins to form. Once you got your dough, lightly dust your workspace with flour. Knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Now transfer your dough into a greased bowl, cover it with some cling wrap and let it proof for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. After the dough has risen, gently flatten it into a square shape. In the center, place your pitted black olives. Make sure to leave some space around the edges. This will prevent the olives from spilling out when we shape the bread. Next, fold the sides of the dough towards the center and then fold the top and bottom as well. Turn the seam side down and gently roll the dough back towards you to seal the seam. Transfer your shaped dough onto a baking tray and let it proof for another hour. Once the hour is up, brush the top of the dough with a little extra virgin olive oil for a beautiful golden crust. Now pop it into a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for 35 minutes. Enjoy!